So in this video, I'll show you how to reset MacBook Pro M3 Max. So this is the MacBook which I have with me, and look at this. This is Apple M3 Max, and look at this MacOS Sonoma it has got, and 1 TB SSD, and this is 48 GB RAM. And I will show you how to reset this Mac without going into the internet recovery and start doing it. All that you need to do is just go to system settings and then general, and then transfer or reset. Erase all content and reset. It will ask you the password. Just enter your password. Yes. Erase all content and settings. That's all. It will start happening. This spinning. Let's wait for some time. That'll be done. This is M3 Max, the toppest laptop that Apple has released till now. Yes, it's gone blank. It'll reset and come again. This won't take much time. Yes, at this point it'll ask you to activate, and you'll have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Show Wi-Fi networks. We have to connect to Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi. We're not connecting. As soon as I connect, it will get activated. Yeah, now Mac is, it will restart in 48 seconds. Let's click this. Yes, that's all it is done. It took hardly 5 minutes time. Hello. Now we have to go through the setup assistant. We have to complete the setup assistant. that's all it is. I think we've done. If it is useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, so that it will be useful for me to do a few more such videos in future. Thank you.